Hello everyone, my name is So. This morning, let me show you my Indian corn cob euphorbia. Look, can you see the pink color? Beautiful, beautiful one. And let me show you this one, aloe vera with new colors. I see some of my flowers stuck there. Yeah, but look at this color. More yellow, orange. Yeah, beautiful. And as you know, I have some Echeveria Sahara here and here. So first I'm gonna remove these two Sahara. I had them here for a few months, I guess. They are okay, I think. Not looking like others, but you know, I have no complaints. But what I see is that they could be looking better. Yeah, so I want to help them a little more by doing something very simple. Yeah, I'm gonna remove first the gravel, the black lava mostly here, and yeah, what I have to do is just add new soil, which is something that I didn't do for a long time around here. So this is a very simple solution to help your plant. This is not a bad spot, so I'm gonna keep them here. Let me get a little more here. The thing is that not only they had no soil, but the soil underneath was really hard and dry. So there was a reason why they look horrible. Right? This, and I'm not removing the roots. I'm just planting them just like this. Yeah. So I can water them right away. If I cut them as cutting, if I use them as cuttings here, I'm not gonna be able to water them. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna leave them like this. More soil here. Yeah, they are in the same spot. Yeah. So here, right next to my sidewalk, I have this Sahara, all dry, like the other. right? So same thing, you know. It's too dry. The soil is not good anymore. So new soil I got here. Like this, and this all dry, looking horrible, but not bad. You know, it's in good shape. So like this, and here, and this one gonna have no problem. Yeah. Gonna do really good. Yeah. So I'm gonna put back the black lava here. I have some more. And this one. And of course, water. You see here, not looking good, right? So I guess I have to do the same thing. Actually, this one is not. I think this is not the Sahara. I think it's the other one. It doesn't matter. I want to help my plant to do really well. So for that, I have to add more soil. And here, looking like this. So small that it's almost invisible. Yeah. But I think from now on, this one gonna be doing really good. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring the water. Yeah. This is my Echeveria Sahara with like 3 or 4 babies at least. So wow, this one is a big one. Look all the root system, huge. Yeah. So if I add new soil to this area, I'm sure this one gonna be doing really good. Yeah. So the babies are a little too small to be separated from the mama, so I'm gonna let them be here with mama for a little more or longer time. And here like this, and gonna be back in the same spot like this. Good. Oh, looking good. Looking really good. Yeah. So it's almost under the attenuada. Uh, so I guess it's a little less visible because of this beautiful green color. Yeah, my original plan was to move all of them under over there behind this attenuada, but no, this is not a bad spot. Just I didn't water them. I didn't do anything for them. So I'm gonna water them now. But about 24 hours later, this is my garden. After this unbelievable wind storm here. Yeah. So you heard in the news, right? Here nothing happened, just very strong wind. My bird is here like this, yeah. We are okay, but this is nothing. We just have to clean up, that's it. So I hope everybody is okay. Thank you for watching and be safe.